Hey everyone, another cute hairstyling video. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and make a ponytail in top section and three tails in the bottom section and combine the tails together with another rubber and making a triangle loop and have it drop behind the ponytail and have a fluffy rubber band attached on the ponytail and split the tail into two and cover the rubber band with another rubber band on top of it. Then after that split the tail into two parts and have it braided and make it go underneath the bun and have it secure with another rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hairband on top of it, beautifying it even further. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and have a top section of it into a thicker braid and have it secured with the rubber band. Then do a braid on the bottom section of the hair into another thicker manner. Then after, with the remaining section of the ponytail we have split them into two parts and have it combined in the middle of the braid and have it secured with the rubber band. Then have it cross each other one more time and have another rubber band attached to it. Continue doing it until you reach the bottom part of it and make a bell shape at the bottom and hide the tip in the last loop of the rubber band we created. Then after that leave the hair as such. Have your hair split them into two sections and have top section a lovely ponytail and using a bun maker straighten your hair a little bit and make it to the top and have it as a circle. Then hide the bun maker by extending your hair a little bit and have it tie with a rubber band. In the bottom section of the hair, start from the left side and split them into two parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Have strips of hair going in between it and do the braiding until you reach the right side and do it as normal as you would do and have the braid go underneath the bun we created and have it secured by dropping a lovely hair clutcher. Grab the top section of their hair and tie with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail, and grab the sides of your hair right below it and tie with the rubber band, drop it inside to get a favorite twisted path. Then grab another section of the hair right below it, do the same as we did before. Continue doing it for 3 or 4 times and with the remaining section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher on top of the rubber bands, covering it and making it even more beautiful. Choose lovely collection depending on your fashion choice. Split your lovely hair into 4 sections with left one being the larger and having a V-shaped ridge and have a ponytail on the left side, another ponytail on the right and make hair ties in that and attach it to that ponytail and make braids in the bottom section of the hair and attach a bun maker onto the tail and twist your hair entirely onto it. Continue twisting it until you reach a bun and have the tips hidden underneath the bun we created and move the tips onto it. Comb your hair at the side and split them into middle section and have ponytails onto it. Then split a section of the hair at the back into parts and have ponytails the same way as we did before. Then split the tails into 2 and have it combined together at the back side of the next ponytail and continue doing it until you reach the bottom part of it. Then after that pinch out the hair in the middle section for making it bulbous and making it more volume. Then with the section of the hair at the bottom we have split them into 3 parts and braid it and fold it to the top. Split your lovely hair into 3 sections and have a middle section into multiple parts and make hair ties out of it. Do the same hair ties on the left side as well. With the bottom section of the hair, make a ponytail on the top section of it and insert a bun maker into it and roll the braid into a clockwise manner after securing it and twisting a little bit further. Then hide the excessive tips underneath the bun securing it. Then move the pretty tips securing that as well. Then after that with the back section of the hair at the bottom, have it split them into 2 parts and have it braided across the braid we have. Grab the top section of the hair and make a ponytail out of it and have a rubber attached to it. Then grab the sides of your hair right below it and do it the same way. Continue doing it until you reach the bottom part of your hair and with the excessive part of the hair at the bottom, have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner and have a hair tie attached to that further as well. Thank you everyone for watching this video.